Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to this new fund recovery and banking website. I call it the Refundo. So in this website, you can apply for fund recovery if you have been scammed and all that. So you can also still transfer the money to your bank account. So in this video, I will show you how this website works, how you can set up yourself, and how the admin can actually manage this particular website. All right, so this is the front end of the website. You can see the designs were done for you, the colors have been picked properly, the images, every layout has been done for you already. Content has also been added for you. You can see it's very mobile responsive and all that. You can see the design. So this is the home page of the website here. So you can see you have the FAQ session, you have the latest update, the footer session, and all that here. So this is just the home page. You also still have the about us page, you have the contact us page. This is the about us page. You can see all the content that we've done for you already. Refundo, call it Refundo. All right, so basically this is just how the front end works. So now let's just log into our dashboard so we can actually see how that works. So once you log into your dashboard, you take you straight to this particular place here. Here you can see your name, you can see Refundo customer, you can see your available balance. So these are the money that have been recovered for you. Here you can transfer, here you can deposit and all that here. So here you can see your recent transactions. So basically we're going to go through each of every features of this website. Yeah, all right, now first thing first is just for us to, okay, let's go for transfer. Click on transfer here. Okay, transfer initiated. Okay, or let's click on this one. All right, so here you could just put the account, select the account you want to do bank transfer from. So you say savings account, click on that. Then the amount, let's say I want to transfer $1,000. Okay, agree to the terms. The minimum is actually $10. Click on next. Okay, here you have to put in your bank name. Let's say test bank. All right, so you put in your name, say test. All right, so put in your account number. This is my account number. You can put description. All right, so just say payment. Then click on request OTP. All right, so click on request OTP. Now here you have to input the 6-digit OTPs that will be sent to your email. All right, so let me just look for that real quick. All right, so this is my OTP here. So just click on verify. This OTP actually will be sent to your email. You can see this loader here processing your transfer, securing your connection to international bank network, encryption, FX conversion, network verification, all this kind of stuff. So you can see transfer successful here. You can see this awesome design. All right, so basically that is all for this. You can click on new transfer, click on new transfer here. You can still perform a new transfer here. So now this is just for the transfer here. You also still have the cross-border transfer, which is like international transfer. So you are sending money to outside the country. You understand? So now you have to select the account too. Select the account. Let's see how much are you paying. So I want to go for, let's say this time, let's say 500 USD. All right, so now you can choose to go for the fast transfer or the economy. So fast transfer actually take 1 to 2 days, while economy take 3 to 5 days. So you can choose this. So this fee here can actually be set from the admin side. You understand? So that's just that. So I have to go for the fast transfer. You can continue. Okay, you can continue. Now you have to enter your select the country. Let's say United States or United Arab Emirates. So the bank name, let's say test bank. Okay, so holder's name is test. The account number or IBAN number, so you can just put in the number here. Now we have to put in the purpose of this transfer: acquisition fee, business fee, savings, travel or leisure. So I can just go for family support, then click on continue. All right, so enter your COT code. So your COT code can actually be gotten from the admin side. So let me just log into the admin side to get that real quick. All right, enter your COT code, which can be gotten from the admin side. I will show you guys how you can get that once you get to the admin side. Click on verify COT code. Okay, verify COT code. Okay, enter your IMF code. Okay, so this is just for billing code for cause international transfer. So let's click on verify IMF code. Give it time to load. Alright, so after your IMF code, you have to enter the OTP which was sent to your email. So you just have to get that. Let me look for that real quick. Alright, so this is my code that was sent to my email. So click on verify OTP. Just give it time to load. Alright, so let's see. Verify OTP. You can see review your transfer. You can see your send 500 USD, transfer fee 50 USD. You can actually choose the I think called the fast one. Total debit with 550 USD. Then you can see the account number, the recipient details from my saving account. Then click on confirm and send. Alright, so let's wait for it to load real quick. Let's see. Confirm and send. Okay, it's loading. Okay, let's wait for it to load. You can see processing your transfer. So this is like a very nice preloader to make sure that your transfer is being processed. You can see your transfer has been processed with bank level security. Do not refresh or close this page. So let us wait for it to finish processing, then we can continue. You can see transfer successful. So that's just that for the transfer part. So we can go back to our dashboard, go back home, and so we can try out other features of this website. Okay, so we're back to our dashboard. Now let's test the deposit. Yeah, you can deposit your check into this website. Okay, so let's see. Let's give it time to load real quick. Alright, so now you can deposit your check. Alright, I want to deposit check amount of, let's say, 100. Okay, so let's choose the check image, which is the front and back of the check. So let me just select an image from my computer real quick. Okay, I have this image here, put that there. I have this image here, put that there. Then deposit dates. Okay, so ensure your check very endorsed, sign on the back. Okay, continue and review. So just review all the check details and click on submit. Alright, so just wait for it to finish processing so that we can see how this works. You can see deposit successful, check your email for confirmation, close. You can see like a success message here. So basically, once your check has been approved, your account will be created on this website. So you can choose to transfer this check money from this account to an international account or a local account, which I said because this website Refundo is actually a case recovery and the banking website together. Now let me show you the fund recovery part of this website. So what you have to do is just to click on this dollar icon here, click on it. Here you can see you can choose to start a recovery case. Okay, so you go down here, you can see your case history. You can see this has been submitted on the 18th of September. You can see type of scam, investment scam. You can see 100%. This money have actually been recovered already. So you can see this has been submitted. Still pending. There's no case progress. You can see awaiting review. There's no case progress already yet. So let us start a new case recovery. Put your name here. Okay. Put in your email, it's already from your account, put in your number, put in the amount lost, and put in your case description. Let's say I was scammed, this kind of stuff. Then evidence, you can submit an evidence if you have that. Then click on authorize, then click on submit. All right, so let's give it time to load. Okay, it's loading. You can see your recovery case has been submitted successfully. You will receive a confirmation email with further details. All right, so you can see case submitted successfully. You can go back to recovery service. So basically, you can now come down here and you can see your case. This is your current case. I did just now. I was scammed of $1,000 investment scam. You can see the case progress is still 0. There's no progress yet. So now here you can see your profile details. You can see your profile. You can see your account balance, accounts. You can see your full name. You can choose to edit all this. To edit your name, edit your phone number, date of birth, and this kind of stuff here. So basically, this is how the Refundo user type will actually work. So the next thing we'll do now is to go to our admin site to see how the admin can manage this website, how they can control the entire website. Now, this is our admin dashboard here. So once you log into your admin, take you straight to this particular page here. All right, so once you log in, take you here. Here you can see all the registered users on the website. You can see their full name, their password, their balance, their account number, registration date, the status of the account which is active. So you can choose to fund your account here. So this is my account. You can choose to fund this account. All right, you can fund the account of, let's say, 100 USD, 1000 USD. You can see check deposit, international transfer, have local or check deposit. You can see the description of this deposit. You can put anything there. How frequent, you can put 2, or send email, no or yes. If you want, then click on continue. You just wait for it to finish processing, then the user account will be credited with the amount you actually placed here. Same thing with the debit account. Same thing with the debit account here. Same thing with the debit account here. We have to still put in the amount. Let us wait for it to finish loading. All right, so the same thing for the debit. So you can just put in the amount here, select the type, check deposit or international transfer. The frequency can be 2, 5, 8, or 10. So it's just created as 10 transaction here. So that's just that for this part. So we will go back to the dashboard back, so we can actually see other things for the users. All right, so as I was saying, here is to fund account, here is to email to the user, here is to delete the account, here is to suspend this user account. So if you click on this last dot here, this icon, you can really transition this user, the activities, and you can also see reset their password. So here, let's view the details of this user. So if you view the details, you can choose to edit the personal information. Here you can see transaction history and the photo of this user, then the security settings. So let's just all right, so here you can see the COT code. So let's click on here. You can change the account number, the 2FA pin, USD account. You can change the account currency. You can change the IMF code or COT code. And so that's just that for that. So here you can change the language and the country. So basically it's just like the user management part. Understand? So that's just that for this. Now here you see your recovery case history. Let's start from transaction history for transactions. Let's see transactions first. All right, so here you can see all the transactions website. You can see all this actually pending. So let's say we want to approve this particular transaction here. So just click here, click on the is it okay, edit. Click on edit here. You can choose to mark this as completed and change it to updates. You can edit transaction. You can see transaction is updated. So that's just that for this particular session here. So you can choose to still so that's just all for transaction part. You can still delete if you want to. So that's just that for this. So here we have our recovery case history. Here you can see all the history of case the user have actually placed on this websites. So now this one here, this was one I did just now. You can choose to view the details about it. All right, so now you can see all your case of recovery. So you can click to edit. You click on edit here. You can choose to edit the amount lost. So you can choose to change the type. The case progress, you can make it let's say 40%. Then you can change the status to investigating. You can change it to frozen or recovered. If you change the status to recovered, automatically this amount lost will be funded in the user's account. So let's change out to recovered and click on update. You can see case updated successfully. So that's just that for this recovery case history. Here you can check your deposits. Okay, you can see all the deposits on this website. You can see this actually pending, actually the same process. Just click on approve transaction. Give it time to load. So you can say approve. You can choose to send email to the user, and so just give it time to load. All right, so that is just how you can see check the base have been approved. You can see the status has been changed already. If I check my account now, that particular money will be created. So here you can send mail to the user. Here you can see your KYC applications all the user, because once user register on the website, they have to complete their KYC. Here you can see choose to approve. So there's no pending KYC here right now. Here you can see the front of the ID card and you can see the back of the ID card. All right, so all KYC has been approved already. So let's see the front. This is the front of the ID card. This is the back of the ID card. So that's just that for this particular session. Now we go to general settings. Here you can edit the site name and everything. So basically what I like about this website is that if you change the site name here, it actually automatically changing the entire website. So yeah, you can change the site name, site short name, the email, the currency, the phone number, the base currency, transaction fee for fast transfer economic 20, billing code. Yes, you can choose to turn it off and you can click on update. So that's just that for this particular session. Here you can update the site logo, can change the logo and the favicon of this particular website. So that's just that for this. Then here you can see your SMTP configuration so that users can actually receive mail once they register or perform any transaction on this particular website. So you just create your webmail, set up the details here, and click on updates. And that is just that for that. So basically this is how the admin dashboard actually works and how the admin can actually manage this particular website. Now the next step I'm going to show you now is how to actually set this up for yourself and for your clients. Alright, so once you have gotten your domain name and hosting, it will take you straight, once you log into your cPanel, take you straight to this dashboard. So if you don't know how you can get your domain name and hosting, the description of this video, there will be a number there. Just contact us and we'll show you guys how you can get your domain name and hosting. Alright, so now once you log in here, you will just have to click on File Manager. But for this, since it's a test work, I will upload mine in a subdomain. I think I already have a subdomain here, which I actually use for my test work. So I think it's test1. Alright, this is test1 here. Just click on public_HTML. This test1. If you want to upload just your main domain, it should just be this particular one here. Okay, so now uploading, click on test1 here. Okay, now what we have to do is to upload our file into this particular directory. Click on upload here, click on select files. We have to look for it on my Refundo. Okay, then just have to wait for it to finish uploading. Once it finish uploading, you'll see this green success message here. So while that's uploading, let's go back to our cPanel, search for DB. Let's say click on DB Wizard, this one here, click on it. Then we have to create our database username and password. So this is a test. I can say Refundo test. Alright, Refundo test. So I'll just copy this particular name because I like my username and password should actually like to be the same thing. So I'm setting it up, it's very easy. You don't actually have to follow what I'm doing. You can choose to generate a password here and just copy this and click on I've copied this password in a safe place to use that password. So all my username, password, and DB name are the same thing. You can create user, okay? Not now. Click on all privileges, click on make changes, so that's just that for that database I'm created successfully. So let's check if our file has finished uploading. You can see it has finished uploading. Just cancel this, reload this particular page, right click on extract, click on extract here. Alright, so just wait for it to finish extracting. Once you finish extracting, you will see the success message here. So while that's extracting, let's just go back here, search for PHP MyAdmin, click on that. Okay, so just wait for it to load. Alright, let's see. Alright, this one has finished extracting. Okay, this one has finished extracting. Just click on close, reload this, delete this particular zip file here, don't need anymore. Then click on this folder, click on select all, click on move up here, just remove it from that folder, click on like this, then go back, then you see your file like this. So there's an installation guide on how you can set this up. So let us open this and see. Yeah, this script for educational purpose only, when authorized for any use of modification is prohibited. This computer is not reliable for any damage or illegal issues from misuse. User must comply with all these laws. So the PHP version is 7.4. To set up a database, look for a folder called, look for an app folder. Okay, we want to set up our database now because we actually have our database details already. Yeah, so just copy this. So let's say look for app folder, script folder. Okay, app folder, perfect. Then let's look for script folder. Okay, then script folder. From script folder you go to connect.php. Let's go to connect.php, click on that, edit. So I click on edit. Now we have to set up our database connection. So just put this here, put this here, put this here. That's why I like using the same name for everything. After that, click on save up here. Make sure you save your work. So that's finished saving. Then go to SQL folder to locate your database .sql folder database. So let's go back, and let's see our SQL folder. Oh, I've gone to the wrong place. Test one. Okay, let's go back there. SQL folder. Click on download this to our computer. Alright, that has finished downloading. Go back to PHP MyAdmin we searched before. Look for the database name we created, which was actually test Refundo test. I think that was the name. Yeah, Refundo test. This it here. Then just click on import here. Click on import. Click on browse. Select the particular file from your computer. Downloads. Click on database. Click on that and click on import. So once the database finish importing, you will see like a source message up here which will say database imported successfully, and you know that they are done. So basically, if you follow each of this step, you should not have any issue setting up the script. You can see it's very easy to do. So that's all for this particular video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.